how you all doing? I'm in Naivasha for the weekend and I'm so excited. I got here last night. Yeah. I did book a hotel in Naivasha town. Yeah, so yeah, like for 3 days because I wanna be here for like 3 days. And right now I'm heading to the lakeside. I need to go to Sanctuary Farm, so that's where I'm heading right now. And so let's go, guys. Woo!
Now you're dealing in diamonds. Don't you see that I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, you are getting everything. Now you're dealing in diamonds. Don't you see that I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, you are getting everything. Now you're dealing in diamonds. Don't you see that I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, you are getting everything. Now you're dealing in diamonds. Don't you see that I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby.
It's very hot here in Naivasha, so hot. Seems like it's gonna rain in the afternoon or maybe in a short while. I don't know, maybe. Yeah. I'm just doing my own prediction, like weather predictions. But the sky looks so clear.